Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two important time expressions, as soon as and just as.
These phrases help you talk about when things happen.
They look similar, but mean different things.
Understanding them makes your English more precise.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Karina for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much, Karina. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these expressions do.
Both as soon as and just as connect two actions in time,
They show the relationship between when things happen.
but they show different relationships.
As soon as.
As soon as means immediately when or the moment that.
It shows that one action happens right after another.
There's very little or no delay between the two actions.
Structure. As soon as action 1, action 2 happens.
As soon as I arrive, I'll call you. The moment I arrive, I'll call.
She left as soon as the meeting ended. She left immediately.
The key idea is immediacy, no waiting.
Just as.
Just as means at the exact same time or at the same moment.
It shows that two actions happen simultaneously.
Both actions occur at the same time.
Structure. Just as action 1, action 2 happens.
Just as I arrived, the phone rang, both at the exact moment.
She called just as I was thinking about her. Same time.
The key idea is simultaneity, happening together.
The key difference.
As soon as equals action 1 happens, then immediately action 2.
There's a sequence, one right after the other.
Just as equals action 1 and action 2 happen at the same time.
There's no sequence, they're simultaneous.
Let's see the difference clearly.
Using as soon as.
As soon as I finish work, I'll go home. Finish work first, then go home.
There's a tiny gap. Finishing happens, then leaving happens.
Using just as. Just as I finished work, my phone rang, both at the exact moment.
No gap. Both actions happen together.
This is the crucial distinction.
Uses of as soon as.
Use 1, making promises.
I'll call you as soon as I can, the moment I'm able.
We'll start as soon as everyone arrives, immediately when ready.
Use 2, showing immediate response.
As soon as she heard the news, she cried. Instant reaction.
He left as soon as he saw her. Immediate action.
Use 3, giving instructions.
Call me as soon as you land, right when you arrive.
Let me know as soon as you're ready, the moment you're ready. Use 4, describing quick sequences.
As soon as I opened the door, the dog ran out, one then the other.
Uses of just as.
Use 1, describing coincidences.
Just as I thought of him, he called. Coincidental timing.
Just as the doorbell rang, I sat down. Unfortunate timing.
Use 2, showing simultaneous actions.
Just as the sun rose, the birds began singing. Same time.
He walked in just as she was leaving. Overlapping moments.
Use 3, creating dramatic effect in stories.
Just as I reached for the door, it opened. Dramatic timing.
Use 4, showing comparison.
I did it just as you told me, in the same way. This is a different meaning. We'll explain later. Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, how was your day?
Busy. As soon as I got to work, my boss gave me a huge project.
Oh no, how did it go?
Well, I was working on it when, just as I was about to finish, the computer crashed.
That's terrible.
I know, but I restarted it as soon as possible.
Did you finish on time?
Yes, just as I submitted it, the deadline passed. Perfect timing.
Wow, that was close. What did you do after?
As soon as I submitted it, I went straight home. I was exhausted.
I bet. Want to meet for dinner?
Sure, I'll text you as soon as I'm ready. Did you notice the differences? As soon as I got to work, immediately when I arrived.
Just as I was about to finish, at that exact moment.
As soon as possible, the earliest moment.
Just as I submitted it, the deadline passed. Same time.
As soon as I submitted it, I went home, immediately after.
As soon as I'm ready, the moment I'm ready.
All used correctly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1, confusing the meanings.
Wrong. Just as I arrive, I'll call you. This sounds like same time, but you mean immediately after.
Correct. As soon as I arrive, I'll call you. Use as soon as for sequences, just as for simultaneity.
Mistake 2. Using wrong verb tenses.
Wrong. As soon as I will arrive, I'll call.
Correct. As soon as I arrive, I'll call. Present tense in time clause.
After as soon as, use present tense for future meaning.
Mistake 3. Forgetting the second action.
Wrong. As soon as I finish work, then what?
Correct. As soon as I finish work, I'll go home. Complete the sentence.
Both clauses are needed.
Mistake 4. Using just as for future promises.
Wrong. I'll call you just as I arrive. Sounds awkward.
Correct. I'll call you as soon as I arrive.
Use as soon as for future promises.
Tense usage with as soon as.
For future actions, use present tense after as soon as.
As soon as I arrive, present, I'll call, future.
As soon as she finishes, present, we'll leave, future.
This is a time clause rule.
For past actions, use past tense.
As soon as I arrived, past, I called, past.
As soon as she finished, past, we left, past.
Match tenses to time frame.
Tense usage with just as.
Similar rules apply.
Past. Just as I arrived, past, it started raining, past.
Present. Just as I arrive, present, the sun sets, present, habitual.
Progressive. Just as I was leaving, progressive, he called, past.
Just as often uses progressive to show ongoing action.
Word order flexibility.
You can reverse the clauses.
As soon as I arrive, I'll call, or I'll call as soon as I arrive.
Both correct, same meaning.
Just as I sat down, the phone rang, or the phone rang just as I sat down.
Flexible word order.
Similar expressions to as soon as.
The moment that equals same meaning.
The moment I saw her, I knew, equals as soon as I saw her, I knew.
The instant that equals also same.
The instant it happened, I called, equals as soon as it happened, I called.
The second that equals same.
The second I heard, I came, equals as soon as I heard, I came.
All emphasize immediacy.
Similar expressions to just as.
Right as equals same meaning.
Right as I arrived, it started raining, equals just as I arrived, it started raining.
At the same time as equals more formal.
At the same time as I entered, she left.
The very moment equals emphasizes exact timing.
The very moment I saw it, I knew.
These add variety.
Just as meaning in the same way.
Just as has another meaning, comparison.
Do it just as I showed you, in the same way.
She sings just as beautifully as her mother. Comparison.
This is different from the timing meaning.
Context tells you which meaning.
If talking about time, it means at the same moment.
If talking about manner, it means in the same way.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 5 sentences using as soon as for immediate actions.
Day 2, write 5 sentences using just as for simultaneous actions.
Day 3. Practice with future tense. Use present after as soon as.
Day 4, find examples of both in books or articles.
Day 5. Tell a story using both expressions.
Day 6, practice reversing clause order.
Day 7. Explain the difference to someone else.
By week's end, you'll use them naturally.
Real-life situations.
Making plans.
Call me as soon as you arrive. Let me know as soon as you decide.
Telling stories.
Just as I was leaving, I remembered my keys.
Giving instructions.
Send the email as soon as you finish the report.
Describing coincidences.
Just as I thought of her, she texted me.
Different contexts, different expressions.
In negative sentences.
As soon as in negatives.
As soon as I don't need this, I'll return it.
Less common, but grammatically correct.
More natural. As soon as I'm done with this, I'll return it.
Just as in negatives.
Just as I wasn't paying attention, it happened.
Works, but less common.
In questions.
As soon as in questions.
Will you call as soon as you arrive?
Can you start as soon as possible?
Very natural in questions.
Just as in questions.
Did it happen just as you were leaving?
Did it happen just as I described?
Works in questions too.
Emphasis and stress.
You can emphasize as soon as.
Call me as soon as you can, stressing urgency.
I mean it as soon as possible.
You can emphasize just as.
It happened just as I arrived, stressing exact timing.
Just as I thought, stressing confirmation.
Stress adds meaning.
Common collocations.
With as soon as.
As soon as possible, ASAP.
As soon as you can.
As soon as we, they arrive.
With just as.
Just as I thought.
Just as I expected.
Just as I was saying.
Learn these as phrases.
Detailed comparison examples.
Let's see even more examples side by side.
Example 1. Arriving home.
As soon as I got home, I made dinner. Got home first, then made dinner.
Just as I got home, it started raining, both at the same moment.
Example 2. Phone calls.
Call me as soon as you finish. Finish first, then call. Sequence.
Just as I was calling you, you texted me. Same time. Coincidence.
Example 3. At work.
As soon as the meeting ends, I'll leave. Meeting ends, then I leave.
Just as the meeting ended, the fire alarm went off. Same moment.
See how the timing differs?
Understanding as soon as possible.
This is one of the most common phrases.
Often abbreviated as ASAP.
Please reply as soon as possible.
I'll get there as soon as possible.
It means at the earliest opportunity.
Very useful in work and urgent situations.
Expressing urgency.
As soon as naturally expresses urgency.
Come here as soon as you can. Urgent.
Let me know as soon as you hear anything. Urgent.
It implies don't delay, do it immediately.
Describing habitual actions.
You can use both for repeated actions.
As soon as I wake up, I drink coffee. Every day. Habit.
Every morning, as soon as the alarm rings, I get up.
As just as for habitual simultaneous actions.
As just as the sun sets, the street lights come on. Always together.
Both work for habits.
In conditional sentences.
As soon as works in conditional structures.
If you call as soon as you arrive, I'll pick you up.
As soon as you're ready, we can leave. Shows condition with immediacy.
Building narrative tension.
Writers use just as for dramatic effect.
Just as the hero reached for the door, it slammed shut.
Just as she was about to speak, the lights went out.
Creates suspense and drama. As soon as moves stories forward quickly.
As soon as he heard the news, he rushed home.
As soon as the door opened, everyone gasped.
Both useful in storytelling.
Pronunciation tips.
As soon as is often reduced in speech.
Native speakers say soon as quickly.
As soon as I can sounds like so soon's I can.
Practice the natural rhythm.
Just as is pronounced clearly.
Just as, with stress on just.
Clear pronunciation helps comprehension.
Formal versus informal usage.
Both are appropriate in most situations.
As soon as works everywhere, formal and informal.
Formal, we will commence as soon as all parties arrive.
Informal, text me as soon as you get there.
Just as is slightly more literary,
Common in storytelling and descriptions.
but fine in casual speech too.
Combining with other time expressions.
As soon as with other time words.
As soon as tomorrow, as soon as next week, as soon as later today.
Specifies when the immediacy occurs.
Just as with time expressions.
Just as before, just as last time, just as yesterday.
Compares timing to previous occasions.
Regional variations.
These expressions are used worldwide.
American, British, Australian English all use them.
No significant regional differences.
Universal expressions.
Practice transformation.
Can you change as soon as to just as?
I'll call as soon as I arrive. Can't use just as. Different meaning.
Just as I arrived, she left. Can't use as soon as changes meaning.
They're not interchangeable.
Choose based on the timing relationship.
Understanding context. Sometimes both could work, but with different meanings.
Call me as soon as you arrive. Call immediately when you get there.
Call me just as you arrive. At that exact moment, unusual.
As soon as is more common for this.
As soon as I arrived, it started raining. Same moment.
As soon as I arrived, it started raining. Right after, slightly different.
Small timing difference.
Quick review.
As soon as equals immediately when, right after one another.
Just as equals at the same time, simultaneous.
As soon as shows sequence, one, then the other quickly.
Just as shows simultaneity, both at once.
Use present tense after as soon as for future meaning.
Just as often uses progressive tenses.
Word order is flexible for both.
As soon as for promises, instructions, immediate responses.
Just as for coincidences, simultaneous actions, dramatic effect.
Just as also means in the same way, comparison.
You now understand as soon as and just as completely.
These expressions make your timing clear.
Practice using both in different contexts.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. I'll practice. I finish this episode. Use as soon as.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.